Taking a picture of your computer screen is super useful. It's called a screenshot. Screenshots can capture anything you see on your screen, from funny memes to important documents, and even error messages that you need to share with tech support. Macs make taking screenshots easy. With just a few simple keystrokes, you can capture your entire screen, a selected portion, or even a specific window. This flexibility makes it incredibly convenient for all sorts of tasks. Whether it's a funny meme that you want to share with friends, an important piece of information you need to save for later, or a snapshot of a web page for a project, you can save it quickly. Let's learn how. This guide will show you step by step. First, we'll cover how to take a screenshot of your entire screen. Then we'll move on to capturing a selected portion of your screen. Finally, we'll show you how to take a screenshot of a specific window. Don't worry, it's very simple. For a full screen screenshot, just press Command plus Shift plus 3. To capture a selected portion, press Command plus Shift plus 4, then drag to select the area you want to capture. For a specific window, press Command plus Shift plus 4, then press the spacebar and click the window. Soon you'll be a screenshot master. With these easy steps, you'll be able to capture anything on your screen quickly and efficiently. Practice a few times and you'll be taking screenshots like a pro in no time. Happy screenshotting. Want to capture everything on your screen? That's the easiest screenshot. Whether you're trying to save an important document, capture a memorable moment, or simply need to share what you're seeing with someone else, taking a screenshot of your entire screen is incredibly useful. Just press 3 keys together, Shift plus Command plus 3. This simple combination is all you need to remember. It's quick, efficient, and works every time. You'll hear a camera shutter sound. This sound is your confirmation that the screenshot has been successfully taken. It's a reassuring audio cue that lets you know you did it right. That means your screenshot was taken. The screen will momentarily flash, mimicking the effect of a camera flash, giving you a visual confirmation as well. It's saved to your desktop as a file. The screenshot will be automatically named with the date and time it was taken, making it easy to find later. You can then open it, edit it, or share it as needed. Screenshots are saved in PNG format by default, ensuring high quality. This method is perfect for capturing everything visible on your screen, from the menu bar at the top to the dock at the bottom. So next time you need to capture your entire screen, just remember, Shift plus Command plus 3. Only need part of your screen? No problem. Press these keys, Shift plus Command plus 4. Your cursor turns into a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area. Let go of the mouse button to take the screenshot. Section 4. Snapping a single window. Want to capture a specific window like your web browser? Easy peasy. Press Shift plus Command plus 4. Then press the spacebar. Your cursor will highlight different windows. Click the one you want to screenshot. Section 5. Advanced tips and tricks. Want even more control over your MacOS screenshots? We've got you covered with some advanced tips that will make your workflow even smoother and more efficient. First, let's talk about a handy trick involving the Control key. Normally, when you press Shift plus Command plus 4, you can select an area or window to capture. But did you know you can take it a step further? By holding down the Control key before you make your selection, you can change the behavior of the screenshot. Instead of saving the image as a file on your desktop, this action copies the screenshot directly to your clipboard. This means you can immediately paste the screenshot into other applications, such as an email, a document, or even a chat message. This can save you time and keep your desktop clutter-free. But that's not all. MacOS offers a variety of other screenshot options that can be accessed by pressing Shift plus Command plus 5. This brings up a menu with different capture options, including recording your screen. You can choose to capture the entire screen, a selected window, or a specific portion of the screen. Additionally, you can start a screen recording session, which is perfect for creating tutorials or capturing live streams. Don't forget to explore the Options menu, where you can set a timer for your screenshots, choose where to save them, and even show or hide the mouse pointer in your captures. After taking a screenshot, you can also use the built-in editing tools to annotate, crop, or highlight parts of the image. This can be incredibly useful for creating detailed guides or emphasizing important information. Finally, macOS makes it easy to share your screenshots. You can quickly send them via AirDrop, messages, mail, or upload them to cloud services like iCloud or Dropbox. By mastering these advanced tips and tricks, you'll be able to take full advantage of macOS's powerful screenshot capabilities, making your work more efficient and your presentations more polished. So go ahead, Give these tips a try and see how they can enhance your productivity and creativity on macOS. Section 6. Screenshotting like a pro. See? Taking screenshots on a Mac is a piece of cake. With a few keystrokes, you can capture anything on your screen. Practice these steps and you'll be a screenshot wizard in no time.